Top 3 Ergonomic Keyboards for Coders, Kinesis Advantage2 versus Competitors. Are you spending long hours coding or typing? The right ergonomic keyboard can transform your productivity and comfort. In this video, we'll explore the top 3 ergonomic keyboards perfect for developers: the Kinesis Advantage2, Microsoft Sculpt Ergonomic Keyboard, and Logitech Ergo K860. The Kinesis Advantage2 is a coder's dream. This premium keyboard features a unique contoured design with cherry MX brown mechanical switches for tactile feedback and fully programmable keys. It's perfect for developers who value comfort and customization. However, it has a steep learning curve, a higher price point, and a bulky design. Is it your next productivity weapon? Designed for a natural hand position, the Microsoft Sculpt ergonomic keyboard features a curved layout and cushioned palm rest. A budget-friendly option with a split layout and cushioned palm rest. It's compact and lightweight, making it ideal for casual users. But it uses membrane keys and lacks programmability, making it less suitable for advanced users. Do you prioritize plug-and-play convenience? Lastly, the Logitech Ergo K860. This sleek keyboard offers a curved design, multi-device connectivity, and a premium wrist rest for unparalleled comfort. However, it lacks mechanical switches and customizability, positioning it between the other two options. For heavy typists seeking top-tier comfort and features, the Kinesis Advantage2 is the go-to choice. The Microsoft Sculpt is perfect for those on a budget, while the Logitech Ergo K860 provides a balance of style and functionality. Which keyboard fits your needs? Let us know in the comments. Check out the links in the description to explore these keyboards further. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more game-changing tech reviews.